Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to move your crypto from Bybit into your Web3 wallet. The process is actually very simple. Start by logging into your Bybit account and heading to the withdrawal section. You can get there by hovering over your profile icon at the top right of the homepage and choosing the withdraw option. If you prefer, you can also open your funding account and hit the withdraw button next to the specific token you want to send. Once you're on the withdrawal page, choose the Bybit Wallet Web3 option. The system will automatically detect and fill in your Web3 wallet address, so you don't need to copy or paste anything manually. After that, select the blockchain network you want to use, then type in the amount of crypto you want to transfer from your exchange account into your Web3 wallet. Before you submit the withdrawal, take a moment to double-check everything: the network you picked, the amount you're sending, and the filled wallet address. When everything looks correct, confirm the transfer. Bybit will process it, and within a short time, your funds will show up in your Bybit Web3 wallet. That's all there is to it. Your assets have now been successfully moved from your Bybit account to your Web3 wallet, giving you full on-chain control and more flexibility for DeFi, NFTs, and Web3 applications. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more crypto tutorials.